अरे अरे. Good morning, all of you. Today we are celebrating 80th Independence Day. At least 80% energy should be there. Good morning, all of you. Now it's 75. As Principal Sir said many things about the Independence Day, I will highlight few things about the independence, and I will highlight few things which has to be developed. I will start with one शेर. जो दुनिया को दिखाई दे उसे खामोशी कहते हैं. जो दुनिया को दिखाई दे उसे खामोशी कहते हैं, और जो आंखों में दिखाई दे उसे तूफान. मेरे अंदर से एक एक करके सब कुछ रुखसत हो गया. मेरे अंदर से एक एक करके सब कुछ रुखसत हो गया. सिर्फ एक ही चीज बाकी है, जिसे हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं, जिसे हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं. ऑनरेबल गेस्ट परशुराम सर, प्रेसिडेंट गुंडप्पा वकील सर, सेक्रेटरी आरती मैम, प्रिंसिपल युवराज सर, प्रिंसिपल Rode sir, my colleagues and all my dear loving children. Today we are celebrating 80th Independence Day. But questions are still there. Do we reach to the destiny what we expected? During 1947, the democracy which was expected to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the country which was expected Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, the country which was expected to the superpower in 2020 by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Do we reach there? Do we reach there? Yesterday one person asked that, sir, you don't love to our Kannada people. But today I will tell, I love too much Kannada people. Too much love is there in my heart. And you know, sir, just 2.5 months you came here. फेंकने का भी कोई लिमिट होता है? I am not throwing anything. I will tell you reason. I will tell you proof, because maths teacher always keep the proof with it. The reason behind it, the person who first raised the voice against British government, he was from Karnataka. 1710, 1780, 1790, 1799, 3 wars he fought against the British government. He was from Karnataka. You, I, everyone who live here, they love their country too much. Even though I love my country too much, then the person who fought for the country, do I love him or not? Due to that person, I love this Karnataka, because the first war for the British government started from your state. Now don't take doubt on my that love. How much I love your state, how much I love the Kannada people. And I expect that anything is going to happen good, that will also start from your state. The last 1799, he was fighting against three faces. One is British, another is Maratha, and third is Nizam. Now you will say he is fighting against 3. Out of them 2 are ours. वो तीनों में से 2 तो अपने थे. वो तीनों मिलके ब्रिटिश को भगाते तो भाग जाती ब्रिटिश. This was the reason they divide us and they ruled over it. When I enter in your state, I listen. Maruti sir said me, I asked sir, why you are not writing the surname here? He said, sir, we don't write surname. We write only name and father's name. And this clicked me, because last 15 years I am working everywhere. Wherever we go, first the person asks, sir, what is your surname? If you understood, okay. Afterward he asks, sir, what is your caste? Even though we are teaching to their child, even though we are teaching to their daughters, still it is their complication in their mind. Sir, what is your surname? What is your caste? But if I came here, I saw that here is nothing, any discrimination. Everything is good here. Once, Muhammad Paigambar was praying to God. You know that sons, they are not belong to any community. Sons, leaders, national leaders, they don't belong to any community, but we bounded them in community. He was praying to God, and God got impressed He asked, मांगो मोहम्मद क्या मांगते हो? He asked his 3 wishes. Out of 2 wish completed, only 1 wish was left. Do you guess what was the wish? Do you guess what was the wish? The Muhammad Paigambbar asked to God, I want unity in my people. Now you will say, God तो सर इतना बड़ा होता है, उसके लिए क्या बड़ा काम है पीपल में यूनिटी बताना? But God says, if your people like, they can live together, they will be united. अगर वो चाहे तो यूनिटी में रह सकते, मैं इसके लिए कुछ नहीं करूंगा, तुमको खुद करना होगा. This was the expected. This was the expected. Yesterday I asked Renuka ma'am, this was your cultural dance? She said, yes sir. So I became very impressed. You are preserving your culture. You are preserving your unity. And I pray to the God, jab tak suraj chand rahe, the unity of your state, culture of your state should be abad. This is my prayer to God from the bottom of my heart. One emotional scene I am going to say you in front of you. That how many of you know Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan? He was the freedom fighter. When he, on the occasion of birth anniversary of Gandhiji, people also used to call Sarhad Gandhi. At the time of birth anniversary in 1969, he visited, and he always carry one cloth bundle with him. And Indira Gandhi asked, Baba, what is there in your bundle you always carry with you? Are you never allow in your entire life to touch that bundle? Indira Gandhi asked, because she was like his daughter. And that Sarhad Gandhi, before saying his emotional line, I would express his emotional line in my share. I express what his emotions was there, because 90% people are against the partition. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को भी अपनी जान कहते हैं. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को भी अपनी जान कहते हैं. मोहब्बत के इस सरजमी को शायद हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को भी अपनी जान कहते हैं. मोहब्बत के इस सरजमी को शायद हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं. और ये जो सुराख है इस दीवार में, साजिश का हिस्सा है. ये जो सुराख है इस दीवार में साजिश का हिस्सा है. वरना हम तो इसे भी घर का रोशनदान कहते हैं, इसे भी घर का रोशनदान कहते हैं. When Indira Gandhi asked, what is there in the luggage? The Sarhad Gandhi said, बेटा यही तो पोटली बची है कि अब इसे भी छीन लूंगी देश की तरह. 90% people were not expected to the partition, they were against. Now also if we allow to merge, only some politician will remain. All 2 country people will come together. Yes. After this gratitude, I would like to request all the politicians that people of the country are very clever. They understood everything. From them I will say one share. ये जो सच और झूठ के बीच की दूरी है, वो दूरी हम समझते हैं. ये जो सच और झूठ के बीच की दूरी है, वो दूरी समझते हैं. सियासी हाकिमों की मजदूरी हम भी समझते हैं. ये जो सच और झूठ के बीच की दूरी है, वो दूरी समझते हैं. सियासी हाकिमों की मजबूरी हम भी समझते हैं. वो हक समझते हैं निवाला छीनना मुँह का, वो हक समझते हैं निवाला छीनना मुँह का. डकैती को कुछ लोग आज मजदूरी समझते हैं. डकैती को कुछ लोग मजदूरी समझते हैं. ताकत का नशा हावी है तुम्हारी अकल पर. ताकत का नशा हावी है तुम्हारी अकल पर. तुम देख नहीं सकते वो चीज हम देख सकते हैं. As principal sir said, Hitler, what he did, he suicide. Benito Mussolini, लोगों ने भगा भगा के मारा. Whoever do something more, जो भी ज्यादा करेगा जनता उसका हिसाब करेगी. And it is a true. And each and everything you are going to see at last I will say few words and I will pause here. शक्ति थोड़ी लाजिम है, शक्ति थोड़ी लाजिम है, पत्थर तो होना ठीक नहीं. शक्ति थोड़ी लाजिम है, पत्थर तो होना ठीक नहीं. हिंदू मुस्लिम तो ठीक है यारो, हिंदू मुस्लिम तो ठीक है यारो, पर कट्टर होना ठीक नहीं. At last I will say thank you. and I expect that the future of India is in your hand. Yesterday, Gundappa sir said, पीएम मोदी को पीएम किसने बनाया, सीएम को सीएम किसने बनाया, आईएएस को आईएएस किसने बनाया, आईपीएस को आईपीएस किसने बनाया। वो ज्वाला तुम टीचरों के अंदर है, तुम झोंक दो सर, हम काम करेंगे, बाकी का फ्यूचर ये जनरेशन संभालेंगे, बाकी का फ्यूचर ये जनरेशन संभालेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।